going to talk about the half square triangles. When finished, you're going to have a total of 8 blue and white half square triangles that measure 2 inches. To make these, you're going to need a white and blue squares that measure 2.5 inches. From these squares, we're going to start with the white, and we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines on the outside of the center diagonal that will be our stitching lines. To get these, you'll need a ruler or your quilter's magic wand, and you can then the magic wand has a center line automatically that measures 1/4 inch from the center out. So basically you just draw a line from the point out on the outside of this ruler and again on the other side of this ruler. Again, these are going to be your stitching lines. Then you're going to take this piece and the blue, you're going to have right sides together, and you're going to line up your points here and here. You're going to take it to your sewing machine and you're going to sew on these stitching lines that you've made. When you get that done, it's going to look like this. So next, we're going to take our ruler and our rotary cutter, and we're going to cut down the middle, like so. You're then going to take it to your ironing board, and you're going to press open both of these. You're going to press them to the blue. So next, we're going to trim these up to 2 inches. So with our Tucker trimmer ruler, you have whole sides, or half sides, and whole sides. We're going to use the whole side, which is indicated by the dots. You got a whole and you got a half. Easy to remember is the half numbers, and the whole is the whole numbers. So we're going to lay this down on top, and we're going to concentrate on our center line that's really solid here. And we're going to line it up on our seam. We are going to then do a quick trim up and across. Now I'm doing it left-handed. Please refer to your ruler instructions that came with your ruler for right-handed. So now we have a clean cut. We're going to flip that clean cut 180 degrees. We're also going to line this up again. We're going to concentrate on the center line again and the 2-inch lines. Once we have those lined up, we can trim up the rest. Now we have it lined up. We're now going to go up and across, and we have a perfect 2-inch half square triangle. We will need to make a total of 8 for your block.